Salvation came with Jesus to bring us close back to the dominion that we lost when Adam and Eve misbehaved at the Garden of Eden. That is the reason Jesus came back, to return the dominion, to return the connections. For whosoever believes in Jesus Christ goes back to the plans of God. So if you are not within the plans of God, it's because you've not gone back. And salvation is the way to take you back to where you will start realizing yourself. To realize yourself is to be connected back to God. So salvation is about connecting you back to God. And once you are connected back to God, then you walk the way God wants you to walk. Meaning, everything that is associated with where God wants you to walk will make you move from one level to another level, will make you stand the way God wanted you to be, will make you think, walk, and do things the way God wanted you to do things. Meaning what? It is the altar that brings blessings. It is not salvation. It is not salvation that brings blessings. It is the altar. That altar that you bow to will either put you to bondage or set you free. That is why Jesus had to be crucified on the cross so that he becomes an altar to bring salvation and to bring liberation in your life.